Hey guys, welcome back in another episode. And today I am going to review Speira Miniatures figures. Speira Miniatures is a website where you can order 3D printed figures. So you can choose your scale. So here I have some Germans and some Americans. Now let's start of the Germans. Okay, we have first guy standing and shooting with STG. Okay, first thing to note is that these guns are big, they are oversized, but keep that in mind, these are 3D printed figures, so plastic is hard, so it's better to make a bigger gun, bigger barrel, so it prevents from breaking, especially during shipping. Well, lots of equipment. You can see these figures are very rich in details. Nice face. That's cool. Next is running with STG, the same guy. He has here a grenade. Same equipment. I ordered these for same models in different poses because I'm going to use them in stop motion. Next one is a stealth soldier with STG. You got some plastic over here. You just have to cut it out with a sharp tool. That's not a problem. So the guy is sneaking, covering behind some cover. And last pose, it's a shot soldier in the face. I like this hat is falling down from the head. He's still holding STG and grenade. So he was about to throw a grenade. Luckily, an enemy spotted him. And bam, he's dead. Now some Americans. I ordered mostly dead Americans because there are not much of them on the market. You got a lot of combat poses, but there's a lack of dead Americans. Maybe Conti have some, but here we have laying down American soldier with M1 Garand dead, being a shot or pushed by impact from explosion. Very nice face expression. You can see his teeth, that's very nice. Another shot soldier. The last one is running low with Thompson. That's very cool. Okay, so now let's compare this with TSSD. So we got here TSSD and Speira miniatures. And you can say that TSSD is clearly much bigger. So I ordered 130 scale. So TSSD is definitely 1/28. But they can go together. They can be used together. That's not a problem. Okay, guys, that was Speira Miniatures figures, 1/30 scale. And what can I say? It's that these are very nice figures, but you can see a lot of details on these figures. but there's maybe two disadvantages, like the price. They're a little bit overpriced in my opinion, and the time of waiting, the time of process. So I waited for 2 weeks for my order to be incomplete. So thanks for watching and see you next time.